The first thing I'm going to talk about straight away is consistency. Check on my channel over here. I was uploading almost every single day. Even along the way, I even entered into a challenge, a 30 days daily upload challenge. That actually did one of the magics for me. And so I will tell you and advise you and encourage you to, from time to time, challenge yourself. Consistency is key. I was frank enough and I was able to consistently upload. So what it means is that whenever a subscriber would want to watch a video from you, they have in mind that, hey, when I visit Smart Tutorials YouTube growth channel, I'll get a video to watch, I'll get something to learn. And so it keeps my subscribers always hooked up over here. The next one I'm talking about is upload quality videos of value. The first thing is the video is quality and it's carrying value. You understand? I was able to upload quality content over here with value. And so all the videos that I've uploaded over here, whenever you watch them, you're going to get a value out of that. You're going to learn something out of the video. You're going to earn something positive from that. And I've been honest in my videos. Oh yes. And that is why you see under my videos a lot of positive comments. Thank you, Mr. Smart. God bless you, Smart. You're doing so well. You're always honest. Thank you for your honesty and all that. And so as a YouTuber, as a content creator, do not have in mind to deceive your audience. No, it is not going to work. Some people jump on clickbait, thumbnails, clickbait, titles and all that. It does not help. You see, when you engage yourself in actually having clickbait titles, clickbait thumbnails, fine, you will get high click-through rate. People will be clicking onto the thumbnails. But when they come to your video, begin to find out that what is on the thumbnail or what the title is portraying is not what is in the video. Trust me, you are going to lose subscribers. You're going to lose audience. And you see, YouTube is all about building community. People who trust you, are honest with you. You understand? So be able to do that. Always be genuine. Be honest with your audience. Okay, so I was able to do that. So that is it. High quality video of value. And then the content is also very important and they resonate with my audience. I was also able to stay within my niche, YouTube growth tutorials. So staying within your niche all the times and always also helps a lot. It has helped me a lot. So when someone checks over here, they are checking here to watch YouTube growth tutorials. All of a sudden, they begin to watch explorations. They begin to watch talent discovery videos. The subscribers will leave. So now that is it. Be able to stay within your niche. Some people, when I check your channel, sometimes I review a lot of channels, right? So when I check your channels, now the channel you publish YouTube growth tutorials over there, you publish exploration over there, travel content over there, breaking news over there, sometimes you coding tutorials over there, and a whole lot of niche. When it happens that you are confusing your subscribers, your audience, always stick to your niche. Be within your niche. Be making videos within your niche. Now with this one, there's also an exception. Sometimes when you get the numbers that you want, when you get the millions and all that, anything goes. Oh yes. So that is the reason I always advise that do not be deceived by the big YouTubers, the way they run their channels. Oh yes, the big YouTubers with millions of subscribers, they can venture into any niche of their choice, any type of video they do, because they've already amassed the numbers. They already have the people to follow them. They already have the people, so they are enjoying and earning from their names. Right now, anything Mr. Beast publishes is going to get views. Anything Nas Daily publishes is going to get views. Oh yes. And so please stick to your niche till you get to that level, and so be able to stay within that niche as I did over here. And when you get the numbers, maybe when you get your million subscribers, of which I'm sure you possibly get it, all right, then you can be blending your niches in that way. I was also able to actually go straight to the point in my videos. Yes, especially in this video and all my videos. I don't just waste your time. No, I just take you through what the title talks about. You understand? Some people, when they start their videos, they be moving around, coining around, do this, my name is this, subscribe to my channel, blah blah. They will take about a minute or 2 minutes or even 3 minutes to talk about themselves and to also tell you to subscribe. No, you don't do that. I've been making a couple of videos about this one. There's a clear time to tell your subscribers to actually subscribe to your channel. There are sometimes you don't even need to do that. They will subscribe by themselves because they know that they are getting value from your channel. When they subscribe, they will continue to get value from your channel, and that's exactly what you're getting now, of which I'm sure you are even going to subscribe to my channel now, because you are going to get a lot of powerful tips and hacks to be able to also grow your YouTube channel as a small content creator and as a small YouTuber and as a new YouTuber. Oh yes, so do well to go straight to the point. The next thing I was talking about is that I was able to even optimize, and even now still optimizing my video for search. Don't be making videos just like that. You make videos, you upload without optimizing your videos. You are going to take a very long period of time before you can grow on YouTube. Optimization simply means making the YouTube algorithm, the engine behind YouTube, the system designed to operate YouTube, to understand your videos. That is all about optimization, and that's exactly what I want you to learn. Learn to be able to optimize your videos. I have been optimizing my videos. Let me give you a gist of how I'm able to optimize my videos, always to get to a lot of people. And even now I am in Ghana making this video, but hey, you are watching me from United States of America. So have you asked yourself why my videos get to that your device, that's your phone or computer? Have you asked yourself that? So that is what we call optimization. If you make a video, don't just publish a video. Now you've got your title. This title that I'm talking about is the title of your video. So with this video I'm making now, when I finish exporting from the editing application, that's the CapCut or whatever application I'm going to use, I'm actually going to change the title of this video, the name, the file name. You see, whenever you finish exporting your video from any of these editing applications, you see that it will be saved with numbers or something like that. Now change those file name, and then use the title of that particular video. All right, use the title of that video. So be able to use that particular title and save the video. So this video, after exporting it, I'm going to save with that title. Now you are optimizing it for YouTube algorithm to understand the video and know the type of video and the right people to actually recommend your video to. So after doing that, the thumbnail of the video too, make sure you capture some of the words in your title on the thumbnail. Sometimes not all the words, don't overload the thumbnail with more words, but some of them, the key words in there on the thumbnails. Now you've optimized the video, you've optimized the thumbnail as well. Now even in the video, to be able to use these keywords in the video while you're making the video, be able to naturally speak or say some of these keywords to match with the sentence or what you are saying, because YouTube uses visual and audio, so it listens to your video, it watches the video. These are some of the keywords. All right, I say them in the video, this video, and then the title is also capturing that, the thumbnail is capturing that. So you are fully optimizing your video for the YouTube algorithm to understand it. YouTube will be actually recommending and showing my video in the search results. Oh yes, more than someone who makes this same video but does not optimize it in this way. Please be able to optimize your videos this way, and it's going to help you a lot. These are some of the hacks that most people don't actually know. So no matter the niche you find yourself in, you can also optimize your video the best way. And then when you are uploading the video, you see there's a description section. At the description section, make sure the keywords are found in the description as well. Oh yes, very important. So when it happens this way, all around your video, you have actually be able to optimize it for the algorithm to understand you. Not only that, the hashtags, you know, we have the hashtag, you bring the hash and then a certain word, right? Hashtag, attach smart tutorials and stuff like that. So in the hashtags too, make sure you keep in these keywords I'm talking about. And then at the tags section, make sure you include some of these keywords when you're uploading the video. And that is why you need to upload your video via the YouTube Studio Chrome version, or on your PC or on your computer or something, where you get all the features so you can actually optimize your video the best way. So this is what I will say about optimization. The last thing I will talk about in this video is that I take time to also engage my audience. Yes, that's very important. That is very, very important. This one, I must be frank with you. Yes, if you're a YouTuber and you don't have time to actually respond to the comments of your subscribers or your viewers or your audience, trust me, you are not going to go far. Unless maybe you've actually gained a lot of subscribers, maybe you are one of the million subscriber holders. For that one, fine, you may not be even able to respond to all of them, but try your best to do some of them, okay? But if you're a small YouTuber, please do well to be able to respond to any comment that is placed under your video. It throws a positive signal to your subscribers that, hey, you care about them, you actually cherish them, you actually love them. So I always get time and respond to my audience comments over here. It is very important, and that is what I want you to also learn how to do that. Whenever there is a comment, please respond. It will help you get a lot of engagement even under your comment. And see, one interesting thing is that when there are a lot of comments under your videos, it triggers the algorithm that, hey, this video is carrying value. That's why people are actually making comments under that. And so let's recommend that video. It's also part of the YouTube recommendations. So I've made a couple of videos about how to get recommendations. I've been able to optimize my videos to get about 90 plus recommendations on YouTube over here on this my channel. And all these I'm telling you, please do practice them. You can get some of those videos to watch so that you can also know how to let the YouTube algorithm recommend your videos for you to get up to about 90% of recommendations. When it happens that way, you wouldn't be doing anything. No, YouTube actually will be getting you the views, the massive views, the watch hours, the subscribers, and all that. So it's so interesting, to be honest, on YouTube. So that is it. So that is the journey so far. Do what to click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell.